How to contact seller on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can contact seller on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to contact seller on Amazon, there is a specific restriction. You won't be able to contact the seller before you've purchased the product. Only while you're purchasing the product or after you've purchased it or after you've ordered it, you can contact the seller from your orders tab. This is a specific restriction that Amazon puts on the app and their service or the platform. And in order to do this process, you just need to launch the Amazon app, or you can also open the Amazon browser. Once you're on the app or the browser, you're going to make sure to log into the account. Then just come to this account icon over here. Once you're on this icon, at the very top you'll find this option known as your orders. Just make sure to go to the your orders tab. Once you go to your orders, you just need to select the specific product and then select problem with order. Once you select problem with order, choose your topic from the list displayed, and after that you'll find this option called select contact seller, and that is the only option that you have. Only if you have problems with the order you can contact the seller after you've ordered it, not directly before you've ordered something on Amazon. This way you can contact seller on Amazon. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.